Hello, welcome to Dallas Audio Post Group. My name is Roy Machado. I am Chief Engineer and President of the firm. Today we are going to discuss some tests that we ran on range hoods with very interesting results. This is one of the sound isolation booths at Dallas Audio Post. This room features an extremely quiet, sound isolated environment that allows us to accurately measure and record sounds within this room. And anything that we record in the room can be measured for accuracy. We are inside Control Room A at Dallas Audio Post, and this is the control room where we analyzed and measured all the range hood products. And so I want to speak to you regarding the methodology and the techniques for measuring and recording all the different range hoods. We first received all the range hoods from a retailer. The range hoods that we tested were from Best, Ventahood, Viking, Wolf, and Zephyr. All of the range hoods were tested using a Suncor SP395 high-grade measurement device. We tested each and every one of the range hoods for sound pressure at 1 meter from the range hoods, and we had some very interesting results. What's of particular importance to this test is the sound pressure that it makes at its highest setting. Typically, at its highest setting, a range hood will either compete with speech or compete with talking in a room or not. And so what we found is all of the hoods, with the exception of Ventahood, were measuring at 74 dB or 74 decibels or higher, where the Ventahood was measuring at 67 decibels. And what's important about that is that normal speech in a normal room is measured around 70 dB or 70 decibels. All of the range hoods competed with speech because they were above 70 decibels, while the Ventahood product was under 70 dB at 67 dB, so it did not compete with the speech in a room at all. And what's even more important about that is the frequency response, or the tone of the Ventahood product, was more pleasing to the ear, and the range of frequencies that are centered around where speech would be were less pronounced in the Ventahood product than the other products. So when you had the Ventahood product running in a room, you can have a normal conversation and not feel as that the Ventahood is competing with your speech.